4:50 a.m. On this island, most people are Muslim and they pray a lot during the day. The first prayer really happens really early, around 4:50 a.m. when it's still dark. You can hear the call to prayer all over the island. They pray 5 times a day, which is a big part of their daily routine.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3.
As we had no plan on that day, we borrowed 2 bicycles from the hotel and rode around the island.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Father.
Yes, correct. Owen, did you hear what? Did you hear what?
Mama, you hear what I said? Your mom's father teach you how to ride the bicycle. Who's Mama's father? Yeah. No. You guys say hey. Your grandma? No. I don't know.
Oh, Owen father teach.
Owen's father?
Yeah.
My father?
Yeah.
Mom, did Papa teach you how to ride the bicycle?
I help them.
So So it's little bit slippery. So
Okay.
you hold tight, okay?
Okay. Ah. Owen, go sit inside first. Sit here. Come. Hold it. Hup. Go. Hup. The next is inside.
Here?
No.
In the front.
Front seat. Front seat. Inside. Ah, go. Can you?
It's okay, like this.
Then we came to ask for riding jet ski. And I wanted to try the Orange Ferrari on the water. There are 2 spots to have water activities. We didn't know that spot got more restriction as there are snorkeling spots. So it needs safety. So we could not play it freely. Everyone, guess what? My dad tried wakeboarding today. It looked so fun, but it was kind of tricky. At first, he kept falling down because the waves were all crazy. And those jet skis made it even harder. He would splash into the water a bunch of times. But my dad didn't give up. He kept getting back on the board, even when it was tough. I was cheering him on the beach. And then, guess what? He finally started wakeboarding for real. He was so cool riding those waves like a pro. My dad, after 10 times of falling. It was awesome to see my dad having so much fun. Falling down is okay as long as you keep trying. Awesome wakeboarding adventure, we decided to chill out a bit. We did some more water activities like swimming and just splashing around the sea. It was so much fun. After that, we took a nice walk around the island. Maafushi is so cool. And there are lots of little shops, cafes, and even some friendly cats. The island wasn't too big, so you can explore all in one day if you want. We didn't do too much today, just took it easy. It was nice to relax after all that wakeboarding and swimming. Plus, we got to see some really pretty views. The sunset here is amazing. But guess what? Tomorrow is going to be even better. We've got an exciting day trip planned. I can't wait to see where we're going next. I was so pumped to share with you all. But I'm not telling you just yet. You have to wait and see it in the next episode. Trust me, it's gonna be awesome. We did have an awesome dinner at this place called Maldives Melon Restaurant. We picked it from TripAdvisor and it was a great choice. The food tasted really good and the prices were pretty decent too, about $12 to $18. We all left super full and happy. So that's it for today. We have a blast at all water activities, exploring Maafushis, and a yummy dinner. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for our big adventure. Bye for now.